Welcome back everyone. So today I'll be using the Rhodia Spiral Dot Pad, which is the 5.8 by 8.3 inch size, and also the Kelly Creates Dream Pens in the small brush size in the color Lilac. I need to make sure to go over the basic rules and the number one fundamental, which is thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes. And also before the alphabet, you should always remember to do your warm-ups and do your practice drills by doing those thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes and practice, practice, practice. This is a simple alphabet that I learned through YouTube and also on Instagram. The more you practice, the more you'll realize your own personal style and personal preference, or if you have certain letters that you're struggling on or struggling with, you will realize other versions and techniques that you prefer. And so this is just, what I have learned, and also a little bit of it I've perfected based on my own preference or my own struggles with certain letters, so you'll learn that along the way as well. I want to mention that F, K, O, R, and S were my beginning struggle letters, and 3 of them have actually turned into my favorite letters to write and perfect, and that was just learning through YouTube, of course, and just practicing better ways of doing it and ways that kind of helped my own technique. So I hope that also happens to you guys who might be struggling on letters right now. Just know that some of them will become your favorites.